Koala Care is the leading provider of safe and innovative commercial child care products and is proud to be the most recognized brand of baby changing stations. Did you know we offer 12 models of baby changing stations and over 20 child seating products? Our number one priority is the safety of your most important customers, and we offer a number of replacement parts to keep Koala products in good working order. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the shock on a horizontal baby changing station. The shock may need to be replaced if you notice your baby changing station does not close once the bed is lifted to about 40 degrees, or if the door opens quicker than normal. Each KB200 shock kit contains instructions, a shock, and a key. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. You will also need a non-abrasive work surface. It is recommended that you wear gloves during this installation. To get started, open the baby changing station. Using the key, unlock and remove the liner dispenser lid. Set aside any liners that may be in the dispenser. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the liner dispenser to the internal metal mounting frame. Remove the plastic liner dispenser from the baby changing station and set aside the screws, as these will be needed to reattach the liner dispenser once the shock has been replaced. There should be 6 screws securing the metal mounting frame to the wall. Remove the 4 lower mounting screws and washers. Set aside all 4 screws and washers. Loosen the upper 2 mounting screws about 1/4 inch from the wall, but do not completely remove them. Lift the baby changing station off of the upper mounting screws using the keyhole slots. Using caution, allow the unit to close and lay it flat on a non-abrasive table or countertop with the frame side facing up. A C-clip secures the head of the shock to the ball stud on the metal mounting frame. Carefully slide a flathead screwdriver in between the shock and the C-clip. Once the tension on the C-clip is removed, you will be able to pull the gas shock off the ball stud. Repeat this for the other end of the shock. Remove the old shock and dispose. Position the replacement shock between the metal mounting frame and the changing surface so that the thin end is pointing towards the bottom of the baby changing station. Snap the end of the shock onto the ball stud. Twist the head back and forth to ensure that it is secure. Take the other end of the shock in one hand and the wall portion of the frame in the other. Pull up slightly on the frame until the head of the shock aligns with the ball stud. Push the shock onto the ball stud until it clicks into place. Twist the head back and forth to ensure it is secure. To remount the baby changing station, slide the keyhole slots on the metal mounting frame over the screws that are still in the wall. Tighten the top 2 screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Using the 4 screws and washers that were set aside earlier, secure the metal mounting bracket to the wall. Reattach the liner dispenser to the metal mounting frame using the 4 smaller screws that were set aside at the beginning of this video. Fill the liner dispenser with bed liners and close and lock the liner dispenser. Do not discard the key, as you will need it to access the liner dispenser and refill liners in the future. Open and close the baby changing station several times to ensure the shock is working correctly. Clean up tools, dispose of waste, and close the baby changing station.